Okay, when the height of the water is 3 feet, so a different height of water here, so there's an instant when the h is 3, so h is not always 3, but at the instant when h equals 3, at that instant, is the rate of change of the height with respect to time increasing or decreasing. So back to Danica's chart over here. So we're working with height of the water. They're asking, is the rate of change of the height, that's h prime again, increasing or decreasing? So I got to go look over here at h double prime. So I have a formula here for h prime. So I need to take the derivative of that. Okay, negative 110 is a constant. The derivative of the square root of h is going to be 1 all over 2 roots of h, and I must multiply by dh over dt. So now that's going to equal negative 1 all over 10, 1 all over 2 square roots of h, parenthesis, dh dt is this again, so that's negative 1 all over 10 square root of h. I'm doing it when h is 3, so plug that in, so we should change our notation here. This is d squared h all over dt squared at an h value of 3. Looking at the second derivative, to see if the second derivative is positive or negative, that will tell us that the rate of change of height is increasing or decreasing. This is going to be negative 1/10, 1 all over 2 square roots of 3. All I care is positive or negative here. And what I end up with is several factors multiplying, negative factor, positive factor, negative, and positive. So all I have to write here is positive. I don't have to work it out. Now I need the reasoning. I just say since second derivative of h is positive at h equal 3, therefore the rate of change of h at is increasing. Sorry, back up, shouldn't write it that way. When h equals 3. So they gave 1 point for the correct answer. They also gave 1 point if you knew you were supposed to be finding the second derivative and got this far. If you remember to plug back in the dh dt right here, you earned the second point. And then again, if you had the final answer, you'd earn the third point. So a total of 3 points.